Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use built-in ruler in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to use built-in ruler, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for display, tap on it, and here you must have to look for edge panel. Just enable that setting, then tap on it, and here just tap on panels. From here you must have to tap on tools and dashboards. Just tap on tools just like that, and here after tapping on tools, just go to your home screen and you will get a sidebar or an icon. Here you must have to swipe it to get this type icon, and after that you just swipe one more time to get the tools. Now just select three dots in the top right corner, then select ruler from here. So that's how you can easily use ruler. You can easily change the meter, which can be inch or centimeter. So that's how you can easily use built-in ruler in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.